Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm happy that you are here. And please don't forget to hit that big subscribers button. If you haven't already, turn on notification bell, give me your thumbs up, and share. Today, I'm going to show you my makeup kit. This kit was passed on to me from a very special person. It's quite heavy and sturdy. Okay, let's get started. In this makeup kit, I have all my collections of makeup and brushes. I bought during sale. Some I used my Sephora gift card to purchase, and some of the items here was a gift. Upper section of my kit, I have Sephora Smoothing Primer, Mini Becca Poreless Primer, Mini First Aid Beauty Priming Moisturiser. Then I have Mini First Aid Beauty Matte Primer. Then I have two concealer. This is NYX or Next Concealer. It's already faded. And then another one is Maybelline Instant Rewind in the shade Brightener. Then I have NYX eyeshadow base and Innisfree Glow Liquid Shadow. That's the upper left tray. Then the right section, I have my lipstick. This is a Lucas papaw ointment or lip balm. This is good for a dry lips. Then I have a L'Oreal in the shade 234 Ruby. This one is a gift from my friend from Hong Kong. This is a beautiful shade. Then this is a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Leo. This one is a gift during my birthday. And then this is the Sephora liquid lipstick. Then I have a drugstore lipstick from Essence. It is a velvet matte in the shades 24. Then I have my mini Tarte in the shade Envy. Mini Kat Von D in the shade Melancholia and Suspera. This is a mini lipstick from the brand Clinique in the shade Plum Pop. This one is a lip and cheek tint from Innisfree in the shade Cherry. This one is a mini fresh sugar lip polish. Then I have three pencil. This one is from Catrice Long Lasting Lip Pencil. In the shade Plum. And this is a mini Sephora lip liner in the shade Fuschia. Then the last one is from Essence lip liner in the shade Plum Cake. So in here I have the Essence highlighter, my Sephora Trio blushes, and this is Hola bronzer. From the brand Benefit. Mini liquid highlighter from Cover FX. And this is a blush from Sephora brand. And this one is from MAC Cosmetics. In the shade Groundwork. So in this side, I have another highlighter from Becca. Mini blush from Tarte. In the shade Paaarty. This is It Cosmetics Eyebrow Gel Waterproof in the shade Dark Brown. This is NYX Wonder Stick. It's a 2-in-1. There's a highlighter, and the other side there's a bronzer, cream bronzer. This one is a mini mascara from Too Faced. Wet n Wild Clear Eyebrow Gel. Then Essence Make Me Brow in the shades Dark Brown. Benefit brand. This is a highbrow. It is a highlighter. Mini It Cosmetics Brow Pencil. This one is a universal shade. And there's a spoolie at the other side. Then I have Maybelline Tattoo Brow Ink Pen. NYX eyeliner in the shade Green Papaya. This one is a mini Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the shade Black. Mini Sephora eyeliner in the shades Dark Gray. Essence Eye Pencil. This is a kajal in the shades White. Catrice Eye Pencil. And then waterproof liquid eyeliner from Essence. Then I have two jumbo eye pencil from NYX in the shade 605 and 603. And this is Ardell. It's a lash adhesive. This is the second layer of my makeup kit. So this is the bottom section of my makeup kit. I have brushes here, I have perfumes, I have foundation. Then I have here my eyeshadow from Avon. It is a glitter eyeshadow. Then I have my Innisfree Essential CC Cream. This is Revlon Color Stay Foundation. It is a combination oily skin with SPF 15. In the shade 180, it is a sand beige. Then I have Maybelline BB Cream with SPF 35. Stick foundation from Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade 127 or 335. Then setting spray from NYX. It is a matte finish. Sephora brand waterproof eye makeup remover. Setting powder from LOreal. It is a translucent powder. A very good brand. My cute eyelash Hello Kitty container. I bought this from Daiso. This is a palette from Lancome in Rose edition. This is my first makeup, and it was a gift from a very special person. So what I have here, it comes with mini brushes, mascara, eyeliner, lip liner. It's an all-in-one makeup. There's powder, and there's a blush, concealer, eyeshadow, lippies, It Cosmetics palette, all matte. It's a Wet n Wild palette in the shade I'm Getting Sunburned. Another palette from Wet n Wild in the shade Comfort Zone. My Ride or Die palette from Urban Decay Naked Heat. It is a beautiful palette. Eyelash curler from Daiso, and eye massager from Miniso. I have this Tangle Teaser hairbrush, my Burberry perfume, and lastly, my collection of brushes and sponge. First, I have my beauty blender. This one is a powder brush from Miniso. multitask brush from Real Techniques. Essential foundation brush. Contour brush from Real Techniques. This one is buffing brush. Then stiffling brush. Lastly is blush brush. These are all good brushes from Real Techniques. Then I have travel brushes from the brand Sephora. I have two fan brushes, one from LA Colors brand and this big fan, there's no brand name. It's very soft. This is a dome brush from Sam and Nick of Real Techniques. This is angle brush, no brand name. This is eyebrow brush. It is an angle and there's a spoolie at the end from H&M. Pencil brush from Essence. Then another pencil brush from Zoeva. Smudge brush from e.l.f. Detailer brush from Real Techniques. Brand QVS for dusting and blending brush. This one has no brand name. This is a flat brush. Crisp brush from Zoeva. from Coastal Scents, number 246. Then lastly is from Sephora. This is number 14 brush. This is my favorite brush. That's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Just feel free to write your comments. Give me your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye! See you on my next video. I love you all.